Hello everyone, today I'm gonna edit a couple more photos from the recent shoots. So let's get started. I have some picture preloaded already. So this photo was using the 90mm Fujifilm F2 with the X-T3 camera. So I'm gonna use E5 for this. You can see the HP2 might be too strong, the contrast. I'm gonna use E5 just slightly a little bit because the light overall is already really good already. So, and I'm gonna reduce the highlight save, and these are the usual steps that I'm gonna take. Just based on each location, I might do a slightly different one, but based on the lighting, you can see it's a little bit too bright on the face, so I'm gonna reduce the exposure a little bit. So now come to cropping. So when it crops, I always remain the eyes level on the top third area, so you don't have to be exactly the same, just around there is fine. And I'm gonna crop like this. So this is the final save as the actual size. Many people ask about the size for Instagram. I just saved the actual size, the 3822 times 4782. So I saved the actual size. That's it. It took like 1.5 minutes. So next one, I was also using the X-T3. I think this one X-T3. So this one I'm gonna use HP2 for this one, and this one was from one of the video shoot that I shot. The comparison of the X-T2 and X-T3. So I think this is X-T2 with the 90mm. So I'm gonna just reduce the balance, rotate the balance a little bit, and then slightly adjust the cropping. So for X-T2 and X-T3, X-T2 already very sharp already. So if you are looking for a good deal, the X-T2 is very good deal right now. It's about like $1,000 for the body only, and the lenses is on sale also. So just check it out. You can go to my website like cardiostarring.com, go to the accessory page also to check out my accessory that I use. So this one I use the HP2 for this one. So the next one with the Holy, and I'm gonna use HP2 for that, and then increase the contrast and reduce the exposure a little bit. So highlight save a little bit. I'm gonna crop out the bottom part because it's a little bit distracting for me. So just remain the top part, enough headroom to frame the top. So that's how I frame this photo. So the next one, so this one, a lot of people like this one. I got like about 5,000 likes. So I use the HP2. So I don't do all the way to the back. Increase the contrast. I like the sun flare slightly from the top of the head, like on her left side of the head. The sun flare from the Fujifilm is very unique. So this was using the X-T3 56mm f1.2. So I'm gonna slightly rotate a little bit, just make sure the horizon in the back is nicely level. So just crop for cropping. I'm just this time I'm gonna retain more body in the shot, but don't crop on the joints. So just make sure that it is have enough headroom for that. So I save this one, so the normal save as actual size. And the next one, so this one was with Bula Baby, and as many of you know, I use the hashtag Bula Mood. It's very moody. So I'm trying to get to the 100 count for the hashtag. So you can check it out, Bula Mood. So I'm gonna crop slightly, make sure the body is in the center, remain some headroom, just like regularly how I did it, and just increase the highlight save a little bit, slightly reduce more tone, sharpness add a little bit, increase the contrast a little bit more because the background is dark, and it's nicely to see the body to stand out in this one. So next one, come back to Lindsay. This one was X-T3 90mm. So let me just increase the contrast. I use HB2 as a base and reduce the exposure, slightly adjust the level and cropping. Just make sure that it is near this crop, remain some headroom for the bokeh. So this is how I did this one. So I'm just going through quickly. There are a couple more shots left. So in the coffee shop style X-T3 23mm f1.4. So reduce not too much, but I don't want to be too dark for this one. And then increase the sharpness a little bit. I'm gonna rotate the image because you can see the lines in the back is not perpendicular to the ground. So I'm gonna just increase the 4:5 crop. Make sure there are enough headroom to have the bokeh at the top. I like the reflection from the glasses, and I'm gonna save this one. Save as exercise. After I save, I'm gonna just copy this setting, copy the edit, and then paste it to this one. This one was the post I posted yesterday, and I adjust the contrast a little bit, rotate the image, and then crop it. So this is how I edit my photos. So I'm gonna edit a couple quick one. This is one from the ground. I think it's the Sony A7. I think this one is A7 III. So A7 III. Increase the highlight save tone, add a little bit, reduce the exposure. So it has a nice like fall style on the ground. So save it, save. And then next one. So this one is Canon. So I like the Canon color also. So edit, increase the contrast, not too much highlight. So the color is already nice. I wanted the HB2 a little bit touch to it. So the original color and the HB2 just between the contrast. So I just added contrast, so make it more like stand out, and cropped it. Make sure that some headroom with her, and then I save to camera roll, and I'm gonna just copy this one and then paste this one to the. So this one was the one that I posted yesterday, so I can just reduce the contrast a little bit more, highlight. It depends, what do you like? Do you like less contrast or more contrast? Contrast is make the portrait pop out. So I'm gonna rotate a little bit of the level and then crop 4:5 for this one. So this is how I edited this photo. So thank you so much for watching and continuous support, and my channel just passed 33K. Thank you so much for continuous support. See you next time. Bye.